In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove games from cart on Steam. If you've ever added a few titles while browsing and then changed your mind, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to clean up your cart on both desktop and mobile so you only check out with what you really want. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer or the Steam app on your phone or tablet, and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to the Store tab. On desktop, you'll find the shopping cart icon near the top right of the window. On mobile, the cart icon typically appears near the top left of the screen. Tap or click that cart icon to open your current list of items. Inside the cart, you'll see every game you've added. Each entry usually shows the game's thumbnail, title, price, and a remove option. To take a single game out of the cart, select that game and click or tap remove. The item is taken out instantly, and your total updates right away. This action only affects your cart. It doesn't uninstall anything you already own, it doesn't refund past purchases, and it won't charge you. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the game store page and add it back. If your goal is to clear everything at once, scroll down on the cart page until you see the Remove All Items option. Click or tap that, and Steam will ask you to confirm. Accept the prompt to empty the entire cart. This is a quick way to start fresh, but keep in mind that once the cart is cleared, there isn't a one-click way to restore that exact list, so make sure you're ready before you confirm. A couple of quick tips if something looks off. If an item doesn't disappear immediately after you remove it, try refreshing the page or briefly switching tabs within Steam, then returning to the cart. Make sure you're in the Store tab and not the library, since the cart only lives in the store. On mobile, a stable internet connection helps ensure changes sync right away. Your cart is attached to your account, so updates you make on one device should reflect on another after a moment. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.